again, folks, still see some of those rollerboards sticking out over the edge of those center bins. You need to turn those rollerboards, your luggage there until the overhead bin won't close, please. Thank you. And it'll prevent you from having to check your items there at the last minute. Okay, also choose your coats, place those in a fold bin at the last minute, please. That'll help your flying partners get to board the aircraft. Thanks again for your cooperation. Welcome aboard. Yeah, your primary storage area is underneath the seat in front of you for smaller, heavier items. And we're trying to reserve the overhead bin space for the larger rollerboard. Thanks for your cooperation, patience. Welcome aboard. And folks, for some of you that aren't familiar with a 777 aircraft, this particular aircraft, as you notice there's no video screens in the seat backs. That means that you can get some entertainment this evening with our streaming videos. You need the United app downloaded on your smart device to have that function work properly. So if you don't have the United app on your smart device, make sure you're not connected to the United Wi-Fi network at this time, but have that app downloaded on your smart device. That way you can provide yourself some entertainment, unless you have a great novel you're going to read on our 4+ hour flight out to Newark this evening. Just wanted to give you a heads up on that. We should have internet access also available, but again, that's only if you have the United app downloaded on your smart device. Again, if you've reached your assigned row and the overhead bins are full, just continue aft until you can find a spot. However, if you have no luck, just please step aside, allow folks to sneak by you, and then have that item brought back up to the boarding door, and we'll have it checked your final destination for free. Thank you. Welcome aboard.
International Airport. Certainly glad to have you with us. We should put coming in here in just a couple of minutes. We do expect the on-time departure. Scheduled flight time this evening into tomorrow morning is 4 hours and 29 minutes. Right now we expect the on-time arrival of 7:11 local time in Newark. The caveat, however, is there are some delays here in San Francisco because of the runway configuration, and Newark has unseemly weather with very strong winds that may impact the arrivals as well. So right now, let's plan on time. However, once we get going, if there are any delays, I'll be sure to let you know about them. We know many of you are connecting out of Newark, so we'll do our best to get you there as quickly and safely as possible so that you can make your connecting flights. Your person today, Joseph, is in charge of the cabin. He has a very important safety demonstration just prior to departure. Please take a few minutes of your time and pay close attention for your professional on board flight attendant staff has to say. You're on the fabulous Boeing 777-200. We'll weigh roughly 500,000 pounds and takeoff speed 160 miles per hour. Once we get up to our cruise altitude, we'll see speeds in excess of 600 miles an hour again. We are hoping for the on-time arrival at Newark. Please sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. We'll be on our way here shortly. Welcome aboard.
And folks, we're 12 minutes away for an on-time departure here out of San Francisco. If you've reached your row, there's no room in the overhead bins, just please bring that item to the boarding door, please. And we'll get you out on time here tonight. Thanks for your cooperation. Welcome aboard.
How did you get?
Once again, thank you for joining us on United Flight 1796 to Newark. My name is Joseph, your first for today. Our captain today is Captain Jake, and he's assisted by First Officer Joe. We'd like to welcome back our Mileage Plus members who are earning or using award miles on this flight. Our flight time will be approximately 5 hours. We now ask that you direct your attention to the following important safety presentations. Please review the safety card located at your seat and follow along as we review the safety features of this Boeing 777. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you should be seated with your seatbelt fastened tightly across your lap. To fasten, slide the flat metal end into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. Please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, even when the seatbelt sign is off. This Boeing 777 has 8 exit doors, 4 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate. In a water landing, slide rafts detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. Please look around and locate the 2 exits nearest your seat. The closest exit may be behind you. In an emergency, leave all carry-on bags behind. Exits have lights and will guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate you've reached an exit. If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. If a strap appears, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the strap. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. You'll find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end tight. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking, e-cigarettes, and smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. Federal laws prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. Federal regulations require compliance with all lighted signs, placards, and crew member instructions. We will be taking off soon. Once again, please make sure your large personal electronic devices are unplugged from the outlet, turned off and stowed. Small, lightweight devices must be unplugged from the outlet, switched to airplane mode, and secured. Devices may not be placed in seatback holders during taxi and takeoff. Your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest should also be stowed. Make sure your seatback is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Food or beverage items must be collected or put away for departure. We will be dimming the cabin lights. We recommend fastening your seatbelt over any blanket or garment so we don't have to wake you if the seatbelt sign is eliminated during flight. Thanks again for flying with us today. I'll be back with more details about this flight once we're in the air. Welcome to the friendly skies, and good night.
There are no
departure.